Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to prompt in video AI. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go to your browser and now search for InVideo AI login and now click on the first link. Now in here on the top right hand side, click on login or click on sign up to create a brand new account. Now you will be landed on this page. Now in here what you need to do is to prompt in video AI. So what you will need to do is to give it a topic, also select the language you want the video to be, and give it a detailed instruction of what the video you want to be about. Once you have given it all the information and written the prompt properly, just click on generate video on the right hand side. Now you will be prompted to this page and it's gonna ask you a few questions. So first of all, mention the audience that you're making this video for, and then also tell it what kind of look and feel you want the video to be, and also choose the platform. Once you've selected these answers, click on continue, and now it's gonna be in a loading screen generating your videos. Make voiceovers and also choose music for it. Now once the video is done and you can download it by clicking on download on the bottom right hand side. Now you can either choose watermark or no watermark, but no watermark requires you to choose a plan, and also choose the branding and the resolution of the video. And now you can easily download it, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.